we will be, in this example, using the properties of logarithms to evaluate these nice little quick problems. In our first piece here, we have log base 5 of 25. Now, you might just use your definition and say 5 to what power equals 25, and that's okay. Otherwise, we can rewrite this. I know how to write 25 as a base of 5. That's 5 squared. So our property of exponents that says log base b of something to a base, so power is just going to be that power. And there's your answer. Essentially what's happening here is log base 5 of 5 cancels out. And your answer to any log is the power, so whoop, there it is. Now, 8 to the log base 8 of 4 appears to be pretty confusing. If you try to focus on this exponent first, this is some power. Do you know what it is? I don't either. 8 to what power equals 4? Not completely obviously. It's not 1/2, because 8 to the 1/2 would be the square root of 8, which I know is not 4. This is some power. Whatever that power is, it's going to give me the value of 4. So, well, then we're going to take 8 to that power. Well, didn't we just say that that power is going to give us 4? There's our answer. 8 to the power, unknown. We still haven't figured out that power. But 8 to that power is going to be 4, because that's the definition of this log. And this is our other property that kind of shows the base raised to the log of that same base is essentially just that number. It's kind of a canceling out idea there. This one's fun. Log base 10 of 10. Well, log base anything of anything, if it's the same number, is always going to be 1. That's my favorite. Again, you can use your definition and say 10 to what power equals 10? It's 1. It could be 100 to what power equals 100. Answer is always going to be 1. So there's that property. Log base b of b is always 1. This little guy is not as tough as it looks, but if we can try to rewrite this as 1/2 to a power, this 1/8, we'll have our answer, because remember logs are powers. So 1/2 to what power is 1/8? Well, 1 to any power is going to be 1. So now let's just focus on this 2. 2 to what power will give me that denominator of 8? Well, if you cube it. So that works. 1 cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. 1/8. That's what we want. So what is our answer here? Well, log base b of a base to a power is just that power, because remember the answer to a log is the power. And again, you could have used your definition. 1/2 to what power equals 1/8, and we kind of figured it out here when we wrote it out. But again, the answer is 3, our power.